Simcenter 3D now supports the rapid editing of any modal frequencies of your FEM-based motion flexible bodies. From the context menu of a motion flexible body, you can now access the list of all related modal frequencies and edit any of them. In this example, the frequency of the first flexible mode of a transmission housing is increased by approximately 10%. An automatic process starts creating and solving a new simulation file to obtain an edited modal result file that will replace the original one. The edited motion flexible body is represented by a set of modes with the same deformation shapes as the original model, associated to a list of edited modal frequencies. To verify the effects of any changes to the modal content of a flexible body, you can plot the vibrations measured at a selected node in the time domain, for example during a run-up analysis. In this case, you can verify how increasing the frequency of the first flexible mode by 10% allows you to reduce the nodal displacements. Pay particular interest to the rotational speeds evaluated at around 9 seconds.